Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Focus alternator using an easy, step-by-step method. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and secure the car on level ground. Remove the serpentine belt, unplug electrical connectors, and loosen alternator mounting bolts. Inspect wiring and pulley condition and transfer any brackets if needed before fitting the new unit. Torque bolts to manufacturer specs, reconnect the battery, and verify charging output calmly and safely. Gather the right tools and prepare the car before you begin. You will need a ratchet set, serpentine belt tool or breaker bar, torque wrench, and safety gloves. Wear eye protection and work on a cool engine to avoid burns. Lift the car safely with jack stands if needed and keep small parts organized in a tray. A multimeter helps confirm alternator output after installation, and labeling connectors prevents accidental wiring errors later on. Loosen the tensioner to remove the belt, unbolt the alternator, and gently remove it from its mount. Compare the old unit to the replacement to ensure correct pulley direction and electrical connector fit. Transfer any brackets or spacers and clean mounting surfaces before installing the new alternator. Reinstall bolts and torque to spec, reconnect electrical plugs, and reroute the belt. Finally, reconnect the battery and test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.